In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Twinkle fireworks in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide Glowstone Dust. To make a Twinkle firework, you will first need to gather the correct materials. Make sure you have 1 gunpowder, 1 glowstone dust, and 1 dye for the firework star. You will also need 1 paper and between 1 and 3 more gunpowder for the rocket itself. The dye you choose will decide the color of the firework explosion, so you can use any dye color that you prefer. Once you have everything ready, go to a crafting table and open it. The crafting table gives you the grid you need to combine the items properly. The first part of this process is making the firework star, because the star controls the firework effect. Place 1 gunpowder into the crafting grid. Then add 1 glowstone dust and 1 dye. When these items are combined, they will create a twinkle firework star. The glowstone dust is the important ingredient here because it adds the twinkle effect to the explosion. Without glowstone dust, you can still make a normal firework star, but it will not have that sparkling twinkle effect when it goes off. After the twinkle firework star is crafted, the next step is making the firework rocket. Stay at the crafting table and place 1 paper into the grid. Then add between 1 and 3 gunpowder, along with the twinkle firework star you just made. The amount of gunpowder you use for the rocket changes how high the firework will fly before it explodes. 1 gunpowder creates a shorter flight, while more gunpowder gives the rocket a longer flight time. When the recipe is complete, take the firework rocket from the result slot and move it into your inventory. At this point, the rocket is ready to use. To see the twinkle effect, select the firework rocket and launch it. When it explodes, the firework will show the color from your dye and the twinkle effect from the glowstone dust. This creates a sparkling finish that stands out more than a standard firework explosion. If you want to make more, just repeat the same process with different dye colors to create a variety of twinkling fireworks. That covers everything you need to know.